Hi guys, it's Josh from RTS. The RTS sale is now in full swing. You've got until the 16th of March to get yourself online, in-store, or even on the phone to take advantage of our huge range of fantastic deals and offers. But what I've got for you today is this, one of our headlining deals. This is the DHP485 brushless combo drill from Makita. Now, the brushless motor in this drill can produce up to 15 newton meters of torque, so it's perfect for any sort of residential work, even professional work on site. It comes with a 13mm keyless chuck, a 2-speed gearbox. You have your forward and reverse, as well as an LED job light. To power this drill, you get this, a 3Ah LXT battery with a fuel gauge. You can tell at a glance just how much juice you've got left in the tank. Now, should you run out of power, not a problem. You get this, the DC18RC rapid charger. It will charge that battery from dead to full in just 22 minutes. So by the time you had your brew and sandwich, you're back to work, no problem. To complement your drill, we'll give you this. It's a 61-piece screwdriver bit set with nut drivers. Okay, you've got a huge range of bits in there, any sort of size you can think of, nut drivers and a holder. This set is all contained in its own little heavy-duty plastic case. Perfect for getting to work on the job site. Now, to keep your drill, your battery, your charger and your bit set nice, safe and secure, you get this. It's an 18-inch canvas bag with pockets galore. Absolutely perfect for just picking up and getting going to work, no problem at all. Usually, this set will be $199.99 plus the VAT, but because it's in our sale, until the 16th of March, we've slashed £100 off the price. A brushless combo drill, a 3Ah battery, a fast charger, a bit set and a bag can be yours for just $99.99 plus the VAT. You're saving £100 there. $99.99 plus the VAT gets you perfectly equipped for any sort of work, be it at home or on the site. This deal is not going to hang around, guys, so get yourself online, get yourself in store, give us a ring, don't hang around and get this in your basket.